Okay, we're going to install Arch Linux like we build rockets. From first principles, not vibes, not folklore, just a sequence of constraints and solutions. First principle, a computer is hardware plus software plus the ability to fetch more software. If you can't fetch, you're dead in the water. So the chain is link, engine, substrate, payload, avionics, deployment. Stage 0, the link. Boot the Arch ISO. Before you touch anything else, get Wi-Fi. Without Wi-Fi, the rocket never leaves the pad. Use IWCTTEL. It's basically a tiny mission control for wireless. You enter it, list devices, scan for networks, connect, enter the passphrase, and then sanity check you have an address and can reach the internet. If this fails, stop and fix it. Mirrors, packages, updates, none of it exists for you without the link. Fundamentally, chart and connectivity is oxygen. Stage 1, the engine. Now ignite, type Arch install. This is the engine start. The installer is a guided system builder. It turns blank disk into bootable OS with good defaults. Pick your mirror region close to you. Latency matters. Choose a sensible kernel, Linux or Linux LTs, and keep it boring at first. Could you do everything manually? Sure. You can also machine every part from billet. The best part is no part, so use the tool. Stage 2, the substrate. Storage is the substrate. In Arch install, choose disk configuration. Use a best effort default partition layout. This is orders of magnitude more efficient than manual fdisk. Manual partitioning is like soldering a rocket harness by hand. Possible, but you're trading time for risk. Best effort gives you a proven layout. EFI where it should be, root where it should be, and a platform you can evolve later. If you want BTRFS snapshots or full disk encryption, awesome. Iterate afterwards. Don't block the launch. Stage 3, the payload. In Profiles, select Desktop, then pick a 2026 era environment. KDE Plasma is mature, fast, and absurdly configurable, like a cockpit with every switch labeled. Cosmic is the newer vibe, Rust-driven, clean, composable, designed to feel modern without feeling heavy. Either way, this is the payload, what you actually interact with every day. Choose it like you choose what goes on top of a booster. Mass matters, but so does capability. Stage 4, the avionics. Go to Network Configuration and select Network Manager. If you skip this, you can boot into a system with zero internet, which is like deploying a satellite with no radio. Network Manager is the control loop. It keeps Wi-Fi, Ethernet, roaming, and reconnection sane. Don't be a hero. Pick it. While you're here, enable basic audio, pipe wire, and confirm GPU drivers if the profile offers it. No one wants a desktop that boots into 2 FPS. Stage 5, deployment. Set your user, passwords, time zone, locale, basic life support. Pick a bootloader when prompted, then hit install. At this point, you wait. Let the robot do the robot work. Watch for errors, but don't thrash. When it completes, here's the part people mess up. Remove the USB stick before rebooting. Like, physically pull it out. Otherwise, you'll reboot straight back into the installer and think reality is broken. After reboot, log in, run updates, enable services, and iterate. If Wi-Fi doesn't auto-connect, use NM2I or NMCLI. Same idea. Just different interface. And yes, read the Arch wiki. It's basically the flight manual. You've just done first principles Arch. Link, engine, substrate, payload, avionics, deployment. Fundamentally, it's the same as rockets. Remove unnecessary parts, shorten feedback loops, and make the system understandable. The best part is no part. Make it, break it, fix it, repeat, Now go build.